Hello guys, thank you all so much for coming and watching my YouTube channel. I am always very delighted and happy to have you here. I'm thrilled to have you here. Today's video will just be talking about how to get support from Onpassive, how you can individually and personally engage with the support with ODEX in Onpassive to be able to solve your problem. We are getting to a very serious moment where so many people are going to be very busy doing different things. That is why I'm coming out with this video. I want to show you step by step how you can get engaged with the ODEX. As an Onpassive founder, as an affiliate, you have to start learning how to get engaged with the technical team one-on-one for them to solve your problem. Before we continue, I just want you to go down below on the description section there. There is a link there where you can join us on WhatsApp, and we discuss bilaterally on how to share some of the ideas that everyone is coming up with, especially that concerns Onpassive. There you also see 3 videos that I made: 1, 2, how to create Binance; 2, how to buy cryptocurrency; and 3, how to use that cryptocurrency and buy from Onpassive. And I've emphasized very clearly to everyone, please make sure that after watching those videos, make sure you look for someone who is an expert, okay? And they will guide you through practically, and make sure you are there for them to guide you through. I want to thank the team in Cameroon and Boya for their wonderful work. They had a meeting on the 13th of this January where many people came together and they were trying to help one another to pay. I think they called me in that meeting. I was on my way to farm. I have some of my farms that I check every day to see how my crops are doing. So I was going to the farm. Unfortunately, they called me. I'm so sorry about that. Excuse me on that. Also, I am not an expert in cryptocurrency. Like I told you, I announced on one of my videos that I'm going to be learning as well. So the little that I've learned is what I've shared with you, but I cannot say at this time that I can be able to pay and really help people to pay because it's a very risky system. It's good to look for an expert because you might face other challenges where you have to be an expert in the system. I'm still learning, okay? So what I've taught you in those 3 videos is what I know, which is good, but I'm also learning like you. Like I said, I don't come here because I know tech a lot, okay? It's just that I'm passionate and I focus on learning and growing as well. So like as I was saying, we need to get to a point where individually we can ask for support. Many people just come to groups and they throw a question. Sometimes they get to me personally. It's difficult to answer critical questions that are supposed to be directed to the technical team. And there are there's one product that I want us to start using. Omail. Omail is very important. Omail is our emailing system, and the ODEX regularly uses this Omail to engage with people who have query, engage with people who have paid their product. I'll be taking you in my system here to show you in my back office how we can engage support, and also how you can be able to get your invoice, because once you pay your product, they will successfully send you an email in your Omail system. There, it will congratulate you for successfully paying for your product, and then a small attachment of your invoice is going to come along with that email. This is something you need to understand. How did I know this? Like I said, I spent time on the tool to understand my business. Onpassive is your business, is my business. To become a founder in Onpassive is not just to sit. I kept saying this, not just to sit and wait for money. Also, I want to just highlight here very quick, but I'll be making another video on this. Protect your back office. There are new ways of scamming now. They call you through your WhatsApp as you are talking, and then your code will just appear in front of your WhatsApp while you are talking. If you touch that link, it goes to that person and they use it and hack your WhatsApp. But I'll be doing another video on that after this video. I don't want to intercept this video, but I just want you to pay attention. You must be alert. As we are building your back office, as we are building, Onpassive is building, as we are enlarging, that is how criminality is going to increase as well. That is how thievery is going to increase. So you must be sensitive. And this is the time where I tell all my Christian brothers and sisters out there, this is a time to create a personal relationship with Jesus. Have an experiential relationship with Jesus, as the scripture emphasizes. Why? Because we are getting to times, perilous times, where we are already there where you need discernment. When someone calls you, you need to discern through the Holy Spirit to be able to know who is calling and why they are calling. This is very important. This is what has been helping me. For instance, those of us who come online and we share things like the content like this, they easily get our information and then they start trying to manipulate sometimes our emails and all that. But that is the world we are. This is a social media, so it's a social place. So like I said, let's just go in there. Let me show you step by step how we can get support. I'll first of all start with the little chat man that is behind our back office, OChat. We'll start with OChat and I'll show you some of the sensitive words that you are going to be using in order to get support. Let's get in there and I show you what I mean. So right here in my back office, you see that I can drag this chat guy here and I move. This is the chat guy here, you see? Perfect. So I'm going to go here and I'll click on my chart. So once I click on my chart, it opens up here and I can come here and I enlarge it from up here. You see this small icon here, I can make it small and I can make it big. Okay, now it says please select a product you wish to know about more. Okay, let's say I had an issue with OES system, OMail, ONet, OTrim, OConnect, OTracker, OVerify, OTest, OFounders. Okay, but many of us now we are having issues with OConnect. So I'm going to click my OConnect here. So when I click OConnect, you see it appears here. Okay, OConnect. So the OChat is trying to give me a query. So it says OConnect is an AI-powered HD audio video conferencing tool. Now the feature rich OConnect provides exceptional audio and video conferences to all connect and share the knowledge from one part to another part of the world virtually. You see now. Okay, see what I'm going to do. I'm going to click here. This is the text space. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just write support, email support. You see now, email support. These are sensitive words, email and support. So when I write email support, I'll send there. So once I send there, I'm going to wait for my old chart. It's thinking, it's trying to assimilate what I've just wrote on the platform. Now it says, was your issue resolved? It's asking me this question, and then it says, sorry, I did not get you. Would you like to connect with live chat? Okay, I said no. I'll put my thumbs down. I don't want to connect to live chat. Please select any other option below. Now continue with bot, continue with live agent, or raise a ticket. Now I want to continue with bot again. I want to send another message. Now I want to say please for support email. Okay, and then I click. So you can talk to them live and you can talk to them with the robot that I'm using at the OChat, and you can also raise a ticket. Okay, so right now you see that, wow, they have said please be informed that you can contact live agent or can create a ticket if the solution provided by me is not satisfactory. Our support team will reach out to you. Also, you can reach us at here. So now we have this support email. It says support@onpassive.com. Now, when I have that email, what I can do is I just make my chatbot small. So while I'm here, I'll just come here, see what I'll do. I'll copy this email. I'll just highlight it like this, Control C, right? Perfect. And then I come to this small item here like minus and I click. I have lowered my chart down. I can come here again and I click and I open it up. Okay, I can still lower it down. Now once I lower it down, I'm going to come to old mail here and I click. Once I click old mail, I'm going to wait for it to boot. You see? So while I'm on OMail, see what is happening here. There are tons of emails that Odesk sent to us. Okay, tons of email. Each time you send a query, they are going to send you a message immediately. I really appreciate them on this.
Now I want to show you something. It says agent reply. This is the agent reply, right? I have sent some regular queries and they have sent here. So they say reply case number this. Hello Hillary, we appreciate you getting in touch with Onpassive Technical Customer Success Team. This is to acknowledge that we have received your email regarding the query about unable to create meeting in OConnect with case ID this. You see now, we are working on your request and shall respond to you at the earliest. We strive to give the best support to resolve your request at the earliest. You see now, they are so prompt. They are so, I mean, these guys are working really hard. Are you getting now? That is the first request that I had because I had challenges creating meetings. Okay, now this is another stuff that I want to show you again. Document, it said Hillary document here. I want to show you all the emails. Okay, there's an email I want to show you, payment sent. Okay, this one says payment sent, no reply. I click. So there are different kinds of email. When you see no reply, it means that you don't have to reply them. Okay, this is the Rockwell Fuel. This is the system that manages the payment for Onpassive. Okay, that I just wanted to show you. And then also there's another email here that I really agent reply that I really wanted to show you. I'm just trying to check my email system, okay, to show you. So you see the person who is in charge of this email is Joel L. Okay, that's the name of those that are working on that system. But I want to show you something. Case created. I just want to show you something here. Just be patient. Okay, support confirmation. Okay, perfect. This is the email I wanted to show you. So confirmation of OConnect subscription. You see now, it says, dear Hillary Chin, we are delighted to inform you that your purchase of the quarterly subscription for the AI-powered video conferencing solution OConnect has been successfully completed. You see now, so they send you this information, and then down here now you see this small document in PDF form, this small red document here. You see it here. This is it here. This small document here. This is when it is in red. If I come here and I click, if I click here, you see it goes up here. This is the document I open. You see, this is my invoice. You see, this is my invoice. Many people were asking me how to get your invoice. So this is another way to get your invoice. That is why I have emphasized that we should go and start using ONet and OMail. You need to understand your business. Okay. So this is me. I paid 143 OCoin, and this is it here. Okay, so this is my invoice, and you can also get your own invoice. Those of you, because many times when we are doing queries, they'll be asking for your invoice in order to confirm and know if you have paid or not. So now the email I copied, I can just come here now and I make this small and I come to new email. Once I click new email, and then I come here email address 2 and I paste it here, Control V. You see now I'll paste that email that I copied from you see it says support at Onpassive, and then I write what I have to write here. Okay, are you getting? When I'm done, I come and press send here. Okay, because I am sending, I can write the subject here, maybe OConnect issue. Are you seeing now? This is the subject, and then I can write now. Maybe when I write, support team is going to ask me to bring my to attach my invoice and order, so I can come and click here, attach, and once I click attach, it opens up on my desktop. Maybe I've saved it on my desktop, and I come and select, and then I attach, and then I send to them. This is how they are going to solve my problem. Okay, it's very important.
Hello guys, I hope that was helpful. This is a very, very, very crucial time in our business Onpassive, and it's a time when you have to start learning how to engage, how to solve your issues personally, how to engage with the technical team. It's very important, because we are getting to a point where you are going to be in your house or in your office and you are engaging and solving issues just with the technical team. They are always there. They are very prompt. They are very instantaneous in responding. They are very effective. I don't know the words to use. Okay, this is how I engage with them on daily basis. Sometimes I just write them and appreciate them for what they are doing. Sometimes I just write and I encourage them. And that is why I encourage us to start using Omail. We are 1 point something million founders. If we start using Omail, it's going to create a level of traffic within the cloud space. Okay? It's going to help our business a lot. We have to start using the Omail. And if we cultivate this attitude of using our Omail, we are not going to be left behind. Many informations are going to be sent through Omail. Many announcements, many query responses are going to be sent through the Omail system. Please, we have companies, we have offices. This is the time I think that we can start sharing emails. Okay, that is why on this video I'll be putting my Omail. If you want to contact me, New Semotech, please do so through that Omail. I'm going to be checking there. If you have something that we can share, I'm going to be checking just in my Omail. Okay, let's learn to start using our products. It's very important. Stay blessed, guys. I'll be coming up again with another video where I'll be talking to you very keenly on how to protect your WhatsApp, how to protect your Omail. Once your number is hacked, they can use it and do so many things before that number is being recovered. So if you want me to do that video on how to protect your back office specifically, you write below. I'll look at the comments and look at the amount of people who are interested, and then I'm going to do that video. Thank you all so much, dear Christians out there. My advice each time I talk about Onpassive is that you should build a personal relationship with Jesus. Stay with him, study the word, stay in the place of intimacy. Jesus made a statement, men ought always to pray and don't faint. That statement is very powerful. That statement has helped me a lot. And each time Jesus makes a statement, he makes that statement from his own character, from his experience. He was God on earth, but he was always praying, because prayer is communication with God. We Christians have our God. He is spiritual, and the only way we can worship him is in spirit and in truth. And one of the ways to worship him is in the place of prayer, just engaging with him, communicating with him, having an amazing time with him. And I'm just talking to the Christians out there. I know not all of you are Christians, but there are those that will understand what I'm saying. But again, I want to say that I love you all, and I'll keep bringing content to see how we can all move and navigate in the right path in Onpassive. Like I always said, Onpassive is going somewhere very strategic and very important, but there are going to be a lot of challenges, but we will get there. Stay blessed, guys. Ciao.